welcome everyone. This time I'm making a painting without silicone. I'm using gold, Prussian blue, green turquoise from Amsterdam, copper, hooker's green, phthalo blue, deep turquoise, metallic white and a deep blue. All the colors and brands are down in the description below. This is also the order in which I'm gonna pour the colors in the cup. Of course, I'm first spraying the cup with silicone spray and then cleaning it out with a tissue. For a 30 by 30 canvas, I just need one big cup. I had some paint left and I put it around it because I like the effect on how the paint flows underneath it and makes all the lacing. Because there's no silicone in there, you can see that there aren't too many cells, but they do pop up because Floetrol itself makes cells as well. I don't like the big gold blob that's on there, so I'm gonna pour it off and make the cells that are beautiful multicolored in the middle bigger, and that's why it's called the Peacock King, because it has a look of a peacock feather. Someone on Instagram helped me find the name for this piece. Her name is Nemissa Fluid Art. I'll leave a tag down in the description so you can follow her, because she makes beautiful fluid art as well. I'm really happy with the end result. It's a bit different than the other paintings that I've made. The colors are a bit different, but I do love the color shifting of it and how the metallics look on it. It really looks royal. A painting always looks amazing when it's fresh, but I also have some beautiful pictures from when it's dry and has a coat of varnish. I also make scans of every painting I make, so they are available as digital prints or art prints online, and you can find the original paintings in my Etsy store. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe, it's much appreciated, and see you in the next video.